If Claude is already part of your workflow, you can connect your Metricool account and pull your real analytics, schedule a carousel with pictures, or check what your competitors are doing, all from a single conversation. So let me show you how you can set it up and what you can do with it. In order to set up the connection, you have to go here on the left-hand side and click on Customize. Then Connectors, and when you're here, you're going to click on Add and then Add Custom Connector. Here you have to insert a name, so in this case, it's going to be Metricool, and then you have to paste this link. After that, you're gonna click on Add, and then you're gonna authorize access to the Metricool account by clicking Connect here. This is a one-time setup, and once it's in place, Claude has access to everything connected inside Metricool, your social accounts, your performance data, and also the scheduling tools. Now let's see together what it can do. So for my first example, I'm going to paste this prompt here, and I'm basically asking it to show me the Instagram follower growth for Metricool over 2026. This is the result with actual data from your Metricool account, and you get a visual dashboard showing your growth, as well as a written conclusion here at the bottom. The prompt works because it's specific. We named the brand, the network, the metric that we want to analyze. So as a general rule, the more specific the request, the more useful the answer. Now I'm going to show you how you can schedule a carousel. Here I have Google Drive open, and I'm going to select the images that I want to use for my carousel, and then I'm going to right-click and select Copy Links. One thing you have to make sure is that you have sharing set to anyone with a link before copying. Back to Claude now, I'm gonna paste all the links that I've just copied into the prompt, and then I'm gonna click on Enter. So here you get the confirmation, carousel scheduled for tomorrow, Friday, July 3rd at 12 p.m. Now let's go see what that looks like inside the planner. As you can see here, we have both posts scheduled for both Instagram and LinkedIn with the pictures that I selected and the caption that I inserted. As a last example, I'm going to show you how you can do a competitor analysis. So I just took this prompt here and I've pasted it into Claude. Now I'm going to click on Enter, and the result, you get a visual graph, a comparison between your account and your competitors, as well as some key takeaways. And that's how you can use Metricool right inside Claude to check your analytics, schedule a carousel, or keep an eye on the competition, all inside one conversation. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and if you want to try out Metricool, you can find the sign up link in the description.